First, can we start with that essay?
Yeah, essay, yes. You can just
You
read.
told me that today in the first class I'll just read out the essay to you.
Yes, yes. So I think you have done the topic corruption, right?
Yeah, leaders one.
Leaders, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Leaders are not born, they are made.
Okay.
But what if they are not made right? In our country, 90% leaders are corrupt. Instead of making social welfare their aim, their
Instead
aim
of
and main
making,
focus
Krisha, instead of writing making social welfare, you can
doing.
write no, ensuring. Instead of ensuring social
Okay,
welfare, they are more inclined towards whatever you want to write.
yeah. Their main focus is on profit.
Hmm.
They only fill up their pockets with money, that too 80% black money, and don't even think twice about the public. There is a night and day difference between a candid leader and a careless one.
Okay.
Both the leaders do investment and well being, but some for themselves and others for the people.
Hmm.
But as well as, but as we all know, that clap is never made with one hand.
Don't write
Mm,
crap is never made. Just write we already know that there are two sides of the same coin.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. We, the people of nation, are the equal culprits. It is because we take hasty decisions instead of a wise one. If the decision taken is well made, then there would be integrity, not corruption.
Yes.
Our vote is key on what position the leaders are.
Hmm.
During the time of elections, they make a list of promises, and if by chance they win, if by chance they triumph, all their promises go in vain.
Okay. Go in vain, but why? The point is
Ma'am,
fine.
because,
Hmm.
yeah,
So
does that, sorry?
have you justified it in the coming lines? That why their efforts go in waste or why their promises go vain after they have, secured
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
seat. Acha,
Yeah.
okay. Continue, then I will tell you the corrections. Yes, please continue.
Nowadays, the purpose of the leaders is to give long lectures and earn fame.
Long leg.
If I would get, if I would get a chance to become a leader, then
Hmm.
I would definitely become one. Because in the in this whole black world, there are some white spots which can change the whole picture, and I would become that white spot.
Okay.
I would choose to be an honest leader who would actually think of people by being selfless. I
Okay.
would become that leader everyone has been yearning for years.
Okay.
It would be my moral duty to be number one leader, not by my words, but with my actions. But do you think that corrupt leaders are only in politics? The answer is no. There are many teachers as well as doctors sailing in the same boat. In
Okay.
order to get money, they focus on number of children they teach instead of efficiency in their teaching. That to doctors too are false towards their patients in order to call them again and again just to get money.
Okay. Continue.
In a nutshell, I would like to conclude by saying that it is facile to be a ruler, but quite difficult to rule. Thank you.
Okay. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Krisha, okay, your points are good, and I got the idea also what you wanted to write about corruption and leaders. But what can you just tell me the number of words that you've written? Like roughly. How many pages have you written?
Ma'am, half.
Sorry?
3.5 pages.
3.5 pages. Okay. So, Krisha, first thing is we have to elaborate. Okay. You can just note
Okay.
down the remarks so that you can
Yeah.
do the next passage or you can write next essay as per the remarks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second is structuring.
Elaboration in what form?
Yeah, I will discuss all of these. Second one is structuring of thoughts.
Okay.
Third is citing real life examples more. Like you have cited, but we need more examples.
Okay.
Third, third, I think I've told. Fourth one will be conclusion. Like try to divide your essay. Like we've discussed now, starting from introduction, coming to the merits and demerits, and then to conclusion. So you have to structure it in that way. मतलब हमें दिखाना
Okay.
नहीं है कि हाँ देखो ये मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन है उसके बाद मैंने ये स्टार्ट करा नो मतलब हमें deliberately वो नहीं करना है we don't have to do it deliberately but still you have to just structure it. Structure in what sense? Now coming back to structuring of your passage or your essay. First thing, ठीक है, your first line was good that you have written. I think you started with quotation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in quotation, Krisha, first quotation was good. You can add few quotations in between as well. Okay. Second, I just heard that yeah, you have made use of good words and good vocabulary, but try to add more vocabulary. Okay, add more vocabulary.
Okay, ma'am.
Thirdly, structuring of thought जो मैंने कहा ना अब जैसे like you were reading out your passage to me, so I got your idea that हाँ कृषा क्या सोच रही थी passage लिखने वक्त, but उसको एक स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं करा अभी. ठीक है, स्ट्रक्चर में कैसे करेंगे कृषा? फर्स्ट यू स्टार्ट विद इंट्रोडक्शन. You have given the quotation, you have given your viewpoints a bit about politicians, about corruption, and अब देखो क्या करना है आपको. No one will come and tell you that explain corruption that you see around you. जैसे आपने लिखा corruption is there in not just leaders but in many other spheres, like be it a teacher, be it a doctor. Your doctor example was also good, your teacher's example was also good. अब उसको स्ट्रक्चर कैसे करना है, पहले आप करप्शन का मीनिंग समझाओ. Okay, tell about corruption, that what is corruption in your sense. Yeah, according to you what corruption means to people or to general public. ठीक है कि corruption होता क्या है. Secondly, you will tell why according to you these people or these segments are corrupted. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you need time.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why according to you these people are corrupted. आपको रीजन भी तो बताने कि अगर डॉक्टर्स करप्टेड हैं तो क्यों हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर इज दिस ग्रीड विच इज अ ह्यूमन trait, I should say. It's a bad trait, but yes, it is there in almost all humans. Greed है. And there are very few people who are not greedy. ठीक है. Secondly, एक को देख के ना सब बिगड़ जाते हैं, वो वाली बात है. ठीक है. So basically, no one is able to set a positive example for others to follow. So what people do, they just follow few segments or few people blindly. अगर एक कोई
Hmm.
गलत काम कर रहे, उन्हें लगता है कि मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, क्या ही हो जाएगा, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. सो बेसिकली if we keep on following our leaders like this, we are not going to land anywhere. ठीक है. So we have to take initiative, we have to choose a path which is morally correct. Ethics की बात करो, moral की बात करो.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Be it doctor, be it teacher, be it any profession, be it say it's a profession of helper only, you have to be true to
Hmm.
your profession. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे प्रोफेशन की भी बात करो, that if someone is trusting you, you cannot just go away, or you cannot just break their trust like that. Your that point was also good, that before elections and after elections. तो आप इसको पता है क्या कर
Yes,
सकते
ma'am.
हो? You can put it this way, that leaders have two phases. Okay.
Okay.
One is before, post election and pre election. So pre election मतलब इलेक्शन से पहले वो क्या क्या करते हैं. Talk about rallies, talk about disturbance that they create with their rallies,
Yes, ma'am.
traffic jams, and then wastage of papers, and the kind of promotion, dirty tricks that they play just to win those elections. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, what you can write that before filling, before the election period, they are after the life of their voters that, vote for us, vote for us. But, and also, yeah, they do fake promises also, but they have selfish motive behind making those promises. Now, when people trust them, when they put their trust in these leaders and when they win the elections, you have used the word triumph here, which is fine. When they, after their victory or after they have triumphed the elections, they just start thinking about themselves. They become selfish all of a sudden. They don't think
Yes,
about
ma'am.
people, they're thinking about money, power, nothing else. They're just busy filling in their own pockets. They're not
Yes, ma'am.
least concerned about what is happening in the society or how they can improve. Okay? So these things.
Yes, ma'am.
देन धीरे धीरे आप क्या कर सकते हो, गिव रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स. पहले ही अभी तक इंट्रोडक्शन चल रहे कि क्या क्या होता है हमारे आसपास, व्हाट ऑल इज हैपनिंग
Yes,
अराउंड.
ma'am.
देन यू मूव ऑन टू द एग्जांपल्स. ठीक है, जहां पे आप टीचर, डॉक्टर, वट एवर एग्जाम्पल यू वॉन्ट टू गिव ऑफ करप्शन अराउंड यू, एंड यू कैन सर्च
Yes,
फॉर
ma'am.
मोर इंस्टेंसेस बिकॉज करप्शन इज एवरीवेयर. है ना? इवन इफ we talk about police, they're not strict here, because if someone
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not abiding by the rule, they'll take few notes and then they'll say ठीक है जाओ. अब चंडीगढ़ में ऐसा नहीं है. इफ यू हैव एवर बीन टू चंडीगढ़, police is strict there. They don't leave you. And
Yes, ma'am.
people, they don't dare to violate any rule there. मतलब if you visit चंडीगढ़, you will see yourself कि वहां पे पुलिस की जरूरत नहीं है लोगों को रोकने के लिए कि भाई रेड लाइट पे आपको स्टॉप करने. They know it by themselves. They know it themselves. They themselves are not going to break the rules. तो ये क्यों हुए? इतना स्ट्रिक्ट रूल वहां पे कैसे? पुलिस तो नहीं खड़ी वहां पे. So it is when one police or one officer will refuse to take bribe. एक रिफ्यूज करेगा,
Yes, ma'am.
दूसरा उसको फॉलो करेगा ना. बट जब सारे ही गलत काम कर रहे हैं तो फिर थर्ड वाले को बुरा नहीं लगेगा गलत करने में. गेटिंग इट? सो सेट फ्यू एग्जांपल्स, साइट मोर एग्जांपल्स. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this way you have to structure it. And then in the end, Krisha, what was missing in your essay? Your viewpoint. आपने अपना conclusion नहीं लिखा, आपने अपना viewpoint नहीं लिखा कि what according to you can be changed. What changes according to you can be made in the system which will reflect.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? अपना व्यू पॉइंट, अपना कंक्लूजन लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. दैट इन माय ओपिनियन दिस कैन बी डन, या इन माय ओपिनियन देयर शुड बी स्ट्रिक्ट पनिशमेंट फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूल, सो दैट वी आर सेटिंग एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर्स. अभी तो यंग जनरेशन भी है, अभी तो यूथ भी है. सो यूथ के लिए एक
Yes, ma'am.
एग्जाम्पल क्या सेट हो रहे हैं कि भाई यहाँ तो पैसे दो इंडिया में या फिर दिल्ली में पैसे दो एंड योर वर्क विल बी डन. सो हमें ये एग्जाम्पल सेट ही नहीं करना है. एंड फॉर
Yes, ma'am.
we all have to contribute if we want to bring a change
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
society, right? Because देखो,
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
आप एज अ होल देखोगे ना करप्शन के पिक्चर, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू इरेडिकेट करप्शन ऑल टुगेदर, बिकॉज इतनी बड़ी दुनिया है, कहाँ कहाँ आप करप्शन खत्म करोगे? नहीं ना. सो
Yes,
बट
ma'am.
if even if few people stand together and they just ensure that we are not going to be a part of this corrupted group, then there is a hope of change in our society.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So it was a good trial, but just make note of these things so that in the next passage, which I've already told you, I think in the last class,
Yes, ma'am. The AI
age
one.
of AI, age of AI. So now in age
Yes, ma'am.
of AI, Krisha, again, start with introduction कि artificial intelligence है क्या? What is it? सबको ये तो पता है
Yes, ma'am.
AI. But what is AI? It's a machine language, right?
Yes, yes,
It
ma'am.
is everything related to machinery. Now talk about introduction. कि what is AI? How it has, spread its tentacles all over the world. Thirdly, you will
Yes, ma'am.
tell about different AI apps and how for each and everything we are getting a new app by every day. ठीक है? If you have
Yes,
to make
ma'am.
a presentation, you have one AI. If you want to make a video, you have another AI. If you want to gather information, you have another. So there are numerous AI tools now. Okay? And then you will start with this new age कि मतलब ये एकदम से कैसे एकदम से AI हो गया है हर जगह, and how people are blinded by AI, how their dependency is increasing. Now you will slowly
Yes, ma'am.
move to second paragraph where you will talk in depth about artificial intelligence, how it is impacting different segments of society, different people, but
Yes,
adults
ma'am.
also, children also, and youth as children, and then maybe you can say middle-aged people. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
हर एक को अलग अलग इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है ना, क्योंकि अभी भी हमारे पेरेंट्स को इतना मतलब ठीक है, दे नो कि एआई है, बट दे आर स्टिल नॉट वेरी फ्लुएंट विद द टूल्स, ओके, और वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद द टूल्स। तो जो
Yes,
मैक्सिमम
ma'am.
इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है वो किस पे पड़ रहा है? हाउ इज the entire student segment, or I should say youth, it is getting affected by AI? मतलब they have totally given up on their brains, मतलब अपना दिमाग नहीं यूज करना चाह रहे हैं अभी. What they are thinking that okay, this is the task that has to be done, I'll ask AI to do it. मशीनरी पे हम डिपेंड हो रहे हैं. Being humans, we are depending upon machinery. Now,
Machinery.
how it is impacting your health, how it is impacting uh, the entire scenario, you have to discuss that in the second paragraph. कि क्या क्या, you have to talk about positives also, Krisha, and negatives also. क्योंकि अगर एक चीज
Yes, ma'am.
पॉजिटिव्स हैं तो उसकी नेगेटिव्स भी हैं, मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स. सो पॉजिटिव्स, यू कैन से दैट इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ information, reliable information. You get everything in just one click, or you just have to provide the prompt, and everything is there before your eyes. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't even have to wait for 2 minutes. Within few seconds, entire data is there on your screen or your phone.
Mm-hmm.
So it has made life easy, but at the same time, it has many demerits also, because it has increased our dependency on machines. Okay? Instead
And
of,
ma'am, also due to AI, ma'am, cyber frauds are also increasing these days.
yes, of course, they will increase, yes. Because पहले तो limited था ना सब कुछ, कि ठीक है फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम या दो तीन एप्स और होंगी, but now we have numerous applications. So obviously fraud is going to be multiplied three
Yes,
times,
ma'am.
four times, or maybe more than that. So good. That's also a good point. And then you can talk about addiction. Okay? And how it is impacting our mental health. Talk about mental health. That is very important. That we are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
realizing. Hmm.
It is affecting the mental health of from young children to older people, everybody,
Yes. Starting from youth to old people.
old people.
How?
Ma'am, because ma'am, nowadays, ma'am, children don't want to use their mind.
Yes. Of course, वो अपना दिमाग
Ma'am,
यूज करना चाहते हैं. They
ma'am,
don't want.
they'll just if you ask them a question, ma'am, they'll just take out the phone, search on AI, and they'll give you the answer.
Yes. But what they are not realizing is that they are harming themselves.
Yes, ma'am.
जब आपका ब्रेन ही वर्क नहीं करेगा तो आप कैसे, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सस्टेन? They
Yes,
are,
ma'am.
people are literally not realizing that they are depending on a machine which is going to harm them. It is good to depend on machinery, but not totally. It should be
Ma'am,
mix of both.
earlier,
Hmm.
ma'am, when these machineries were invented, ma'am,
Yes.
people used to say that humans have invented machinery.
Hmm.
But ma'am, as soon as AI came, ma'am, it is like machineries have invented human beings.
Exactly. Right. Because we have given them an upper hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. So it is our duty now to spread this awareness also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because देखो अभी हर कोई रियलाइज, अभी ना न्यू एज है एआई की, एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. सो दे आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम रियलिटी. मतलब ठीक है, इट्स नॉट दैट गलत है एआई, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट. इनफैक्ट इट्स अ way too superior way of doing anything. But at the same time, the point is that you have to be equally involved.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you have to, as a student, if you have to complete an assignment, you can ask for few pointers from AI. You can ask AI to explain your particular thing, but then it is up to you.
Ma'am, we can add the example of Chat GPT.
Yes, you can, of
Ma'am,
course.
Insta and Facebook are a bit old things,
Yes.
but ma'am, Chat GPT is the most trending nowadays.
Yes, of course. Because everything is available there. You can ask
Yes, ma'am.
anything.
And ma'am, the new trends on Insta have also come from ChatGPT, that Ghibli art.
Ghibli art, yes. I gave this example to Adi. So I told
Yeah.
him that, okay, he only told me that, ma'am, we are putting ourselves at risk also because we are uploading our private pictures. We're
Yes,
giving it
ma'am.
to machine.
Ma'am, whenever we, search something on AI or on Google,
Hmm.
ma'am, it first asks us to log in. Ma'am,
Yes,
whenever we log in, ma'am, we give our email ID, phone number, password, everything to a Google. Then
yes.
it can misuse.
Yeah,
It can be misused.
it can be misused. Everything that you are providing to the machine, it can be misused. And you never know
Yes, ma'am.
when it can be and how it can be misused. मतलब हम उतना नहीं सोच सकते वो मशीनरी है वो हमसे बहुत ज्यादा आगे है सो वी कैन नॉट इवन
Yes,
थिंक
ma'am.
अबाउट इट एंड हमें तो लगेगा यार मेरी ये चीजें कैसे पता है मशीन को बिकॉज वी आर नॉट रियलाइजिंग कि हम ही दे रहे हैं उसको अपनी प्राइवेट लाइफ को लाइफ में एक्सेस वी आर गिविंग
Yes,
दैट
ma'am.
एक्सेस टू द मशीन गिबली आर्ट में हमने सबने मैंने भी करा अपलोड कर दिया पिक्चर कि भाई क्रिएट माय पिक्चर बट उससे नहीं रियलाइज हो ना तो ट्रेंड के साथ हम चले जा रहे हैं चले जा रहे हैं राइट so these things, so you have to end your essay with your conclusion that how what according to you can be done. जैसे है हमारा partially we can make use of AI but in a healthy way. तो आपको वो
Healthy,
सारी चीजें
healthy way.
लिखनी है. Yes, and if you're using your register, so try to write at least 3 to 4 pages. But if it's a small notebook, then it should be at least 6 pages. It depends.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I say your essay should be 1500 words, try. I'm not saying कि होना ही चाहिए but try. ठीक है. And
Yes,
believe me,
ma'am.
when you try to elaborate ना आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपके वो words कब cover हो गए. But when we just keep focusing कि नहीं इतने words हो गए अब इतने words हो गए, I have seen people counting words 1 2 3 4, वो नहीं होता. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ठीक है. So that is also we have discussed passages, Prisha. One passage you have already told me. AI one you will complete. Okay. Now let's start with
Yeah.
English. CUET preparation.
Yeah.
We'll do some grammar practice.
Ma'am, actually, I was watching a series.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, from there I took out 6, 7 words. So, ma'am, I don't know the meaning of those words. I have just written the words and I will discuss with
No
you.
problem. I will discuss those words with you. Let me just write it down then. Wait. Yeah, let's write down those words in chat. Okay?
Right.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do it.
Prisha, you are writing those words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I've written all the words in the chat.
Okay. Krisha, second last word is venerable or vulnerable?
I'm venerable.
Venerable, ठीक है. Callous, vigilant, nimble, integrity, rigor, euphoria. Okay. Great, good words. You've written down in your notebook also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just give me a minute. Yes, dear. So you have picked out these words from series?
A series.
Good, very good. So which series?
Ma'am, it's called Greenhouse Academy.
Oh, nice. Never heard. Okay. Integrity. अच्छा, out of these words, any word that you want to discuss या you have heard या आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये word बहुत ज्यादा यूज होते हैं आसपास?
Ma'am, I have heard vigilant.
Okay, you have heard vigilant and integrity.
Ma'am, integrity and callous, I know because ma'am, I use them in my essay.
Can you tell me for
That
cats?
leaders word.
Okay.
Ma'am, callous is basically a person, ma'am, who lacks empathy.
Yes, callous behavior. मतलब
Ma'am, some I think inappropriate behavior.
yeah, inappropriate also, and someone who is not getting serious. मतलब
Yes,
मस्ती
ma'am.
मस्ती में. And integrity का मतलब क्या होता है? First word integrity. Integrity means honesty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Having a person of strong principles, I should say. A person,
Yes, ma'am.
someone who is having strong principles and who is
Of principles.
abiding. Yeah, and who is abiding by these principles.
Those principles.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, integrity is being honest. Now, nimble. Yes. Any idea?
No, ma'am.
So, how was it used in the series? Like, have you noted down in line or something?
No, ma'am. Actually, while seeing the movie, ma'am, I saw that this word in the caption.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, then I found it a bit different from what I have heard.
ओके, देखो, निम्बल का मतलब क्या होता है कृषा? समवन हु इज स्लो, लाइक बहुत स्विफ्टली मूव करना, लाइक अ निम्बल डांस,
Yes, ma'am.
अ निम्बल डांसर फॉर इंस्टेंस.
Yes, ma'am.
यू कैन से स्विफ्टली मतलब लाइटली मूव करना, क्विकली मूव करना.
Okay.
मतलब इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मोशन.
Motion.
या लाइट बट वेरी लाइट एंड क्विक. मतलब क्विक एंड लाइट, देखो आपको लगेगा कि ये तो ऑपोजिट्स हैं, क्विक एंड लाइट. बट क्विक
Light.
लाइट
Yeah.
मतलब कि a person who is quick also and smooth also.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, the kind of opposites, but yeah, take it as, for example, if I say that she is a nimble dancer, so that means very swift, quick also.
Very safe. Very. Ma'am, can we say flexible here?
हाँ, flexible is also fine, but flexible, when we talk about flexibility, now we are talking about our movements.
Yeah, and
Here
it's
also,
motion.
motion. Here also, nimble can be related to motion, but yeah, we can say flexibility also. Someone who is very light.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे dancers होते हैं ना, they have quick movement with their feet, with their hands, arms, these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vigilant.
Ma'am, vigilant, I know. Ma'am, vigilant means very watchful, attentive,
Yeah, very attentive, very careful.
very careful.
You are under vigilance. Vigilance लिखा होता है ना CCTVs के पास?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, that way. So you are under strict
Vigilant. Vigilance.
vigilance. Yeah. So vigilant means to be very careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Callous,
Ma'am, we did. A person who is, not very serious.
not very serious. Yes. Next is rigor.
Rigor.
Rigor. Okay, yeah. First you try, then I'll give you a sentence for rigor.
Ma'am, you can give a sentence.
Okay. Mm. Actually, also one more thing. Rigor comes from rigorous. Okay, rigorous
Yes, ma'am.
behavior. Rigors. And Krisha, tell me one thing. Have you written it by mistake Rigor or it's Rigour?
Ma'am, it's Rigor only.
Okay, so but we can, like we have two spellings for color, Color, which is different in like British English and American English. So rigor comes from rigorous, like RIG.
Oh, no, ma'am. Ma'am, you will be added.
Added, na? Ha. So
Yes, ma'am. You will
Rigour.
be added.
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
So
Yes, ma'am.
rigor is again when you do something very carefully or strictly.
Yes, ma'am.
Rigorous behavior, careful behavior,
Careful.
strict, careful, stern.
Yes, ma'am.
कभी कभी स्ट्रिक्टनेस भी कह सकते हैं. स्ट्रिक्टनेस इज स्टर्न, STERN, stern,
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. Stern, I know.
stern, and yeah. Rigor and then venerable.
Ma'am,
Yes.
venerable, I know. Ma'am, venerable basically means, ma'am, when you show respect to someone.
Yes. Because of maybe their age, personality, or position.
Yes, ma'am. In the series, and they use this word when they were talking about the girl's father's age, ma'am, who was the principal of that academy.
Yeah. So, yeah, that is venerable. Basically, to be admired or to be respected because of your position
Yes,
or
ma'am.
because of the age, as we discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Status, basically, है ना?
Yeah.
बेसिकली क्या होता है कभी कभी ना स्टेटस के साथ ही एज फैक्टर इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके लास्ट वर्ड.
Euphoria. Ma'am, this is a very, ma'am, this is something related to excitement or happiness.
मतलब एक्सट्रीम स्टेट ऑफ ब्लिस आई शुड से जो मुझे.
Ma'am, because in that series, what happened? That ma'am, the girl of the owner of the academy,
हम्म.
ma'am, she was hypnotized by some devil people.
ओके.
So, ma'am, her friends wanted her to come back.
ओके.
So, ma'am, they found a diary.
हम्म.
I mean that it was written that if you want to take her out of hypnotism, then say the word euphoria or eureka. So, ma'am, those words means excitement or happiness.
यस. एक्सट्रीम हैप्पीनेस, एक्सट्रीम स्टेट ऑफ
Extreme
हैप्पीनेस
happiness.
और ब्लिस. ग्रेट. दैट्स गुड. ओके Krisha, let's quickly do a small exercise. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope you have written these words, Krisha.
Yes, ma'am. I've written side by side only.
ठीक है, perfect. You know what are modals? As I discussed before, everything in English is in your syllabus for your entrance exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Modals, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, tenses, reported speech, jumble sentences, editing omission, everything is there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are modals, if I ask you?
Ma'am, I don't clearly remember what are basically
Happening.
modals.
It's okay. Just remember that modals are like verbs only, they're helping verbs. मतलब जो
Yeah,
verbs को
can,
help करते
could,
हैं.
may.
Can, could, may, might, shall. अच्छा, there are few modals which I want to discuss and which you may explain if you know them already. So one is lest, Lest, lest. Second is ought, OUGHT. So take time.
Yes, ma'am.
If you know any of these, you explain it to me.
Mm. Ma'am, I don't know less, but I know ought.
Okay, please explain.
Ma'am, ought is basically, ma'am, something which is probable.
Means?
That 5 minutes will be ought to finish the exam.
No. Ought का मतलब क्या होता है कृषा? Ought का मतलब whether you want it or you don't want it, you have to still do it.
Okay.
मतलब मजबूरी. मजबूरी इन सेंस कि आपको
Majburi.
अच्छा लगे या ना लगे आपको करना पड़ेगा. You ought to respect your elders. You ought to obey your teachers. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं ना
Yes,
जिनका मन
ma'am.
नहीं करता कि नहीं मैं क्यों मानूं मैम की बात. बट फिर भी उन्हें लगता कि नहीं यार मुझे तो माननी पड़ेगी बात. We are ought to
Yes, ma'am.
obey our
To
elders or
listen to
our
the.
teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Similarly, lest up लिख लो. Lest, it's a very important word in modals, but I think it's little uncommon in schools because I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
never seen teachers. But my teacher, I just remember, I still remember she told this word first when I was in 10th or ninth, I think. So lest is always used with should. Lest का हिंदी में मतलब होता है वरना.
Varna. Okay.
Don't run lest you should fall. And lest is always used with should. Should is
Should.
itself a
Which,
modal.
ma'am, that less and should go hand in hand.
Yes, they go hand in hand. They're always used together. मतलब should can exist alone, but lest cannot exist alone.
Like this alone. Ma'am, it only comes with should only.
Yes, but should can exist
Okay.
independently also.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, Krishna, I have you can see the screen. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read this quickly. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, would, will.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it.
Because these are very confusing and actually they're confusing कि यार can भी आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे, may भी आ सकते हैं, might भी आ सकते हैं. अब जैसे will है. Will, we use will in
Ma'am,
cases
for future.
future तो
Future
ठीक है.
action.
But in future also where we are sure about a particular thing, then we use will.
Yes, ma'am.
It will happen.
That, like, ma'am, it will rain today. Ma'am, we are sure that it will rain today.
हाँ, right. But अगर मुझे लग रहा है डाइस है तो we can say that it might rain today.
It might rain today.
है ना? Yeah, that way. Okay, you can just quickly read this and you can read it
Yes.
loudly. No problem.
Yeah. Can indicates ability or possibility. Example, she can speak Spanish fluently. Could
Now, one more
indicates
thing.
past ability.
Sorry to
Yes, ma'am.
interrupt. One more thing. If you enter your classroom, what do you say? How do you ask permission?
May I come in?
Why not? Can I come in? ठीक है, can I come in ठीक है या नहीं है ठीक? पहले तो ये बताओ. Is it right?
नहीं, ma'am.
नहीं है. Why?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. Can indicates ability or possibility, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I come in? का मतलब क्या हुआ? You are doubting your ability.
Yes, ma'am.
अब एक बात बताऊं, ये भी ना मेरी टीचर ने मुझे, आई थिंक आई वॉज इन सिक्स्थ शायद या सेवेंथ मैक्सिमम जितना मुझे याद है, मुझे ये
Ma'am,
चीज
my
याद है.
teacher, my teacher has told me that whenever we ask for permission to
हम्म.
come in,
हम्म.
ma'am, we say, may I come in, not can I come in.
हम्म.
But ma'am, I didn't know the exact reason
हाँ.
why we don't use can. I didn't know
Yes.
the reason, but I know that we only use may, not
Yes.
can.
Good, yeah. So that's what I am telling you कि ये जो मुझे भी जो याद है ना, it is because once my teacher stopped me because I asked for permission and I said, "Ma'am, can I come in?" I was very small then, I think sixth, seventh standard में. तो she said,
Okay.
"कि come है, you always use may I come in because अगर आप can पूछोगे तो इसका मतलब तो आप आ तो सकते हो, आपके पैर है ना, आ सकते हो आप अंदर."
But आप डाउट कर रहे हो कि आप आ सकते हो या नहीं आ सकते.
यस. तो कैन मतलब मैं सामने वाले से पूछ रही हूँ कि क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ. ऑब्वियसली आई एम केपेबल इनफ टू एंटर
Able.
क्लासरूम.